Hello, I'm Dr. Craig Butler, your Northwest Ohio chiropractor, and this is Janet, and Janet is just passing through.
Right.
And she's having, so we're right off Interstate 80 in Northwest Ohio, and she's driving from Pittsburgh to Indiana.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and she called someone in the area and was like, I need a chiropractor.
Yeah,
And,
that's right.
well, her son's a chiropractor in Pittsburgh, and she kind of flared up her low back a couple weeks ago, and she's like, I gotta do something, I'm not gonna make it through the day.
Right.
So she just stopped in here, and we were kind of slow, so I figured let's take a second to make a video and
That's good.
show you what we do. So
Great.
have you face this way, we're gonna see how things feel here. So right, is this where your pain is?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Come up like this. Okay. Yeah. All right. Have you stand up? Are you able to bend forward, touch your toes? Yeah, it kind of hurt, huh? Okay.
Just a little step.
A little step. Can you lean backwards? That looks good. How about to the left? Good. How about to the right? Good. All right. And it's just localized pain, right? It's
Right.
not on your
Just,
leg or
no,
anything.
not down the leg.
All right. Come stand right here, facing that way. Can you lift your right leg? That's moving pretty good. Put it down. Lift your left leg. That's good. Put it down. Lift your left leg again. Okay. And lift your right leg. Okay. Was it harder to lift one leg than the other?
Mm-mm.
About the same?
Yeah.
Can I have your leg face down here? Straight here, right there. So you're about a ½ inch short on the right here.
Okay. That's what it felt like.
That's what it felt like, yeah. And then it goes long when we come into that position. So we're gonna adjust your right SI joint right here. Okay?
Okay.
So I'm gonna have you lay on your side, this side up.
That side up.
Yep. Yep. Are you used to getting adjusted this way?
I am, yeah.
Like here. Slide your shoulder down a little bit. Good. Alright. Alright, some pressure on the SI joint here. Take a breath in. Just let it out.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay.
That was
Moved.
good.
That moved
Yeah.
Let's go to the other side. Good. And just the same one here. Okay. Lay on your back.
Very nice.
Yeah. Alright. So now we're gonna stretch this glute from right here. Right there. Is that pulling right here?
Mm-hmm.
Just take a couple breaths. So what's your son's name?
Brent Carlini.
Carlini.
Yeah.
And he's in Pittsburgh.
He is in Pittsburgh.
Alright, so if you're ever driving through Pittsburgh,
Ah, there you go.
get stopped by Brent's place.
That's right.
Is he off the interstate like this?
He actually is.
There
yeah.
you go. There you go. So that's convenient.
That's funny. How long have you been practicing?
About 6 years. Here.
Okay.
Yeah.
You look younger.
Good. All right. Push your knee against me a little bit. Yep. Hold that. And relax. There we go.
That's a good stretch.
Yeah, we're getting there. One more push. And relax. There you go. Good. All right. We're gonna loosen up a couple things in your mid back here.
Okay.
Cross your arms. Good. Awesome. Come on up. All right, we'll bring it back in the chair. See how
Okay.
we're feeling. That's still a little tight yet. Work it.
Uh-uh. No, that would be great.
Okay, let's just sit back.
All right, this is different. I've never had my neck just this
We're gonna go right here.
Okay. Ah, that was good.
Ouchie. Ouchie.
Can I face down? So this right SI joint is still sticking here. Not wanting to let go easy. I want you to scoot down this way a little bit. We're gonna use the drop piece in the table. See if we
Okay.
can get a little more motion. Now it's starting to feel better. Right here. It's a little tender. How's that feel? There?
A little bit of,
A little pull, yeah?
Yeah.
Right there? Okay. Roll over on your back. Bring this leg up here. Okay. And then this one down. Just put a little traction on it. Does that feel alright?
uh-huh.
Some circles. There we go. Do a little tug. What's the tug?
All right.
Feel that up in here?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Okay. Let's bring it back up, see where we're at. That's better. Good. Alright, I'm gonna show you a stretch of what you
Okay.
can do.
Great.
So, can you go like this? You get there.
Mhm.
That's good, better than I thought. Alright. And then just kind of lean forward like this. Getting the pull effect there,
Mhm.
that glute.
Yep.
So I would just work on that.
Okay.
When you get a chance throughout the day.
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
And when you do it, you just want to kind of hold it like this. You don't
Okay.
like-
Okay, no, like
don't
bouncing.
yeah, don't
Okay.
kill yourself. Just get to like where you feel a stretch,
Okay.
and then hold it for like 30 seconds.
Okay, great.
Okay.
Yep, I can do this at rest stops along the way.
There you go. There you go. Okay. So have a
Thank
safe
you.
drive.
Thank
It's
you
nice
very
meeting you.
much.
Have a
Yeah,
good day.
I'm glad I found you.
I'm Dr. Craig
Thanks.
Butler, Northwest Ohio chiropractor.